Actually, I'm just going to use this one over here on the warmer. And I'm going to number these angles over here. All right, today we're going to talk about some definitions. The first one is what we call corresponding angles. Corresponding. What does that sound like? Does anybody know what corresponding means?
No. Doesn't mean like,
Then be quiet.
doesn't mean like they go together.
What?
Like they go together.
Good. I like that answer. Two angles that, I don't know if I would use go together.
Belong together?
Well, we could think of different ways. Because to me, don't these two angles go together to make 180?
Mm-hmm.
But they're not corresponding. Does that make sense? Are you with me? All right, let me give you the definition and then we'll see. Corresponding angles are two angles that are the same size and they're on the same side of the transversal. So it's two angles. They got to be the same size and they got to be on the same side of the transversal. Isn't C the transversal? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I've got four angles on the left of it. Do you agree? I've got four angles on the right of it. Do you agree?
No.
Yes.
Then move John City if you don't agree. All right. Is 2 and 4 the same size?
No.
No.
Is 2 and 6 the same size?
Yes.
Yeah.
They're both little. Do you all agree? So they're both the same size and they're both on the same side of the transversal. 2 and 6 would be corresponding. Are you with me? What other ones would correspond? There's more. 4 and
8.
8. I agree with that. There's more. What others? 1 and 5. I agree with that.
3 and 7.
And then 3 and 7 would have to be corresponding. Okay, so corresponding have to be on the same side and they have to be the exact same size. Are y'all with it? Question so far? Let's go on. Let's move to alternate interior angles. Bless you. Ready now? All right, now let's talk about what interior is. Do you see my two parallel lines? The angles in between the parallel lines are on the interior. So I'm going to put from here to here is the interior. Are you with me? All right, so what angles are interior?
3, 4, 5, and 6.
Do y'all agree 3, 4, and 5, and 6 are the only interior angles? Sweet. Now, alternate interior angles are angles on the interior and opposite sides of the transversal. So, 3, 4, 5, and 6 are all on the interior. Is 3 and 5 on opposite sides of the transversal?
No.
No. Isn't this my transversal?
Mhm.
3 and 4 are on opposite sides. Are you with me? 3 and 6 are on opposite sides. Let me add one more piece to this definition. They must be the same size. So, are 3 and 4 the same size?
No.
No.
3 would be the little one, 4 would be the
Big one.
big one. Do y'all agree? So it's got to be 3 and 6 would be alternate interior angles. 3 and 6. There's another pair. What else would be alternate interior
5
angles?
and 4.
4 and 5, because they're both the big one. Are you with me? Big, big. And there's only 2 sets of alternate interior angles for every parallel line. Questions? Let's go ahead and jump to alternate exterior angles. Everything that was true for the interior is going to be true for the exterior. It's going to be angles on the
Interior.
exterior and opposite sides of the transversal, and they must be the
Same size.
So I'm going to put ditto for all that, except now we're talking about exterior only. Save some time writing. So the exterior would be these 2 out here and these 2 up here. Are you with it? Because these are all the interior. So is 1 big or little?
Big.
Big.
Is 8 big or little?
Big.
So wouldn't that be alternate exterior? They're the same size, they're both big, and they're on opposite sides of the transversal. So 1 and 8. What else?
2 and 7.
2 and 7.
2 and 7. Okay, questions? So that's all the notes for today. Don't put them up yet, we're not done. Let's practice a little before we get to the assignment. I'm going to draw you a new picture, and I'm going to randomly pick children to answer questions. Well, I'm going to turn the parallel lines this way. And let's go A, B, C again. D, E, F, G, H. All right. I want an angle that corresponds to ABC. Who can tell me what angle corresponds to A, B, C? Crosby, start us off.
EFG.
B, F, what did you say?
I said EFG.
Oh, E, F, G. If we look back at corresponding, don't they have to be on the same side of the transversal? So Crosby, what you gave me was alternate exterior, same size, and they're both on the exterior. So try again.
BFH.
B, F, H. Isn't this a big one? Isn't that a big one? That will work. Angle B, F, H. Sweet. All right, let's keep going. Angle D, B, F. What angle corresponds to D, B, F? Porter.
EFG.
E, F, G. Do y'all agree with my man Porter?
Yes.
You should. He's right. D, F, G. Oh, I'm sorry. E, F, G. All right. Let's switch gears. Let's go alternate interior to CBF. What angle would be the alternate interior? I'll go ahead and highlight it right here. There's CBF. What angle would be the alternate interior? Asa.
BFE.
BFE, let's write it as EFB.
Oh.
Because the other way has a inappropriate meaning in the real world. Are you with me?
Wow.
We'll let that go. Don't say it if you know it. Just let it go. But yeah, EFB would be the alternate interior angle. Do y'all agree? They're both on the interior. That's on opposite sides. All right, how about angle BFH? Give me the alternate interior for BFH. I'm gonna put 2 lines on that one. There's BFH. Maddie?
DBF.
DBF, I agree with DBF. So that one matches up with this one. Do y'all agree? Sweet. All right, let's go alternate exterior now. Let's go EFG. What would be the alternate exterior of EFG? Somebody who hasn't helped me yet. Jake.
ABC.
Hang on, let me label EFG first. EFG, I'm gonna put 3 lines on it. Which one do you say goes with it?
ABC.
ABC. Are they on opposite sides?
Yes.
Are they both on the exterior?
Yes.
I agree with Jake. So we'll put 3 lines on ABC. All right, and lastly, we got HFG. What would be the alternate exterior of HFG? Angel.
ABD.
ABD. So let's put the star in that box. Those would be the same. ABD. Okay, questions? So just to refresh, these are alternate
Interior.
interior,
Interior.
alternate,
Exterior.
alternate,
Exterior.
Corresponding.
corresponding, corresponding.
Corresponding.
If they're on the same side, they're corresponding. If they're on different sides, it's either alternate interior or alternate exterior. Does that make sense? All right, so pull out your IXL.